Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. The 2014 Hyundai Accent, 1.6 liter, I believe, GDI, spark plug replacement, coil removal. Pretty basic, pretty easy. Here we go. It's like a mouse trap, a mouse rat, mouse nest. Hey! So where did all the pink stuff come from, huh? It smells really good too. 10mm bolts hold down the coil. It's got a gun here, the 10mm on it. You can certainly use a ratchet with a socket. Might not have to move that, but I'm choosing to. 1/4-inch ratchet and 10mm. It's wonderful. Push on that and release it. You'll probably need to pull up on this gray piece here. Ooh. That's the idea anyway. Pull up on the gray. It's a safety device of some kind, so it doesn't actually come disconnected, I believe. Lift this up. You can push on the black then right there. Pull up on the gray clip, push the black to release it. That's the theory, although you don't need to really because you can leave it connected. I think. Ooh, pull them out. Just like that. There you go. And then use probably a 5/8 spark plug socket. Spark plug socket has a rubber boot inside to hold the spark plug. Left to loosen, right to tighten are all the bolts and nuts that you'll find on this. Just going to break them loose because I can, and we'll just take them out. That is removing a spark plug, and do all the rest the same way. Got our nice new spark plug. You can put just a dab of you can put just a dab of anti-seize if you want on here. There's a little bit of debate as to if it causes issues, but just a teeny bit, not a glob. So I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm not going to though, but my gap is 0.039 to 0.043, so we can just check it. I do want you to be careful because it is like a platinum or iridium tipped plug, so it seems to be actually just a little under. So we can open it up a little bit. pull on it gently, it should open up. And that's the basic process. And if you need to make it smaller, you can tap on the tip and bring it down some on a hard surface. There we go. It's good right there, about 42-ish. So, do the same with the others. Slap it in here. Turn it in by hand till it basically stops. Alright, so they want you to turn it, once it touches down, they want you to turn it half a turn basically on here for the gasket type, which these are. So, install this plug, hand tight, then turn a half a turn, or like I say, torque spec is what, 15 to 22 foot-pounds. That is installing your spark plug. We'll do one more. Alright, that feels pretty solid. We'll go half a turn. We'll check and see where we're at with half a turn here. I just set it to about 16 foot-pounds. And that was over 15, so we're good, actually around 20-ish. Then you can do all the rest of your spark plugs, and then reverse procedure to install. Put the coils back in and plug them all in. If you unplugged any, they should click. That's really it. Just drop them in like so, right? 10mm bolt, tighten it up, snap your in place there, push that in. Click. Here's your friction fits for that top right there. Little nubbies. Put your hose back on if you need to. Use the pliers too. That's replacing your spark plugs on your 2014 and other model years and makes, I'm sure, for a Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter.